Hey there, it's Asia Ray Coleman, founder of actingresourceguru.com, and I am visiting my grandfather in New Jersey. It is freezing here. My folks on the East Coast, how do you do it? I'm ready to go back to LA. But I'm sitting here thinking about a problem that I see around a lot of actors' careers, and that is those actors who kind of sit around and wait for their agents to get them auditions and complain about the fact that they're not getting enough auditions and that they should be going out more and, whatever, all the problems of the world and of their agents and managers. And here's the thing, guys, agents make 10% of the money and we make 90% of the money for a reason. Our agents need our help. They need our help taking initiative to build relationships that are going to help them sell you. They need our help creating great marketing materials for them to sell you and creating momentum in your own career. It is so much more empowering. And by the way, I've been at fault of this too. I'm not preaching because I don't know the problem, but it's so much more empowering to really take inspired action and be the driving force behind your own career. Um, it just is a great place to be. So don't get me wrong, having an agent is necessary. And there's a point in your career where you absolutely need to have a representative helping to move you forward. However, if you're at the place where you're not really auditioning at all, I think it's really time to look inward and take some responsibility for what's going on and what you can do to change it. So Acting Resource Guru is all about all of those things. Feel free to join our Facebook community, get acquainted with the resources that we have. They're free. And tell me what you're doing. In the comments on this post, I want you to tell me what you're doing to take your career into your own hands so that we can support you and cheer you on, give you suggestions, whatever. I want to hear from you. All right. Have a good one. Bye.